Welcome to the Aquaspresso Coffee Academy, and today we're going to be doing an advanced usage guide into the Jura X8 Platinum. If you have the X8 and you want to see how you can get cheaper filters for your machine, wait to the end of the video and I'm going to show you how. The first feature I want to take you through is how to change the milk temperature setting. Now this is a new feature on a Jura machine, but a very important feature because probably the biggest complaint we get from Jura users and automatic users in general is that their milk is not hot enough or their cappuccinos are not hot enough. This machine now has solved that problem, and I'm going to show you how to change it on your machine to get the right temperature for you. Changing your milk temperature setting is pretty basic to do. So I'm going to start at the beginning. So here's your front screen. Now your bottom left button corresponds to the P, which is your program. I'm going to click that button and go into my programming mode. Now I'm in the programming mode, and there's 5 different screen options. I'm going to cycle through until I get to expert mode. And I will go into expert mode, and now I'm presented with all the drink options which the machine can make. I'm going to find a drink option which contains milk, i.e. cappuccino. So I'm going to go into the second screen and I see cappuccino over here. I'm going to click on the cappuccino button, and now it takes me to all the different things I can control or change in that cappuccino drink. So starting with the volume, I can see how big or how small I want the drink. I have my coffee strength I can change, the temperature of the actual coffee within the drink I can change, and also the position. So I can either have the cappuccino on the front screen or on no screen, or which position on the front screen I can choose. If it's the most popular drink, I might want it at the top left on the front screen outside of the programming mode. Let's continue. Now the second screen is amount of milk and the new feature, which is the milk foam temperature. And when I click on that, it will take me into the current setting in terms of temperature, and that's on a level 7. I can go all the way up to level 10, which is the hottest temperature, and control exactly my foam temperature according to what I like. Another huge feature of this machine, typically only reserved for the larger, more expensive machines in the past, is this machine's ability to, when I have a latte drink as opposed to a cappuccino, instead of me manually changing the froth consistency from milk froth to hot milk, this machine does it automatically. So it automatically controls not only the temperature of the machine of the froth which it dispenses, which I've done here, but also the consistency is determined by how the machine dispenses. The second quite cool feature is this machine allows you to stop some people in your office or people outside your office from reprogramming it different to how you want it programmed. I'm going to show you how to change this lock system and how to implement this lock system to control exactly what this machine dispenses. In order to hide different features or different programming features from users that you don't want the ability to do it, it's fairly simple. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. There's a few different ways, but this is the simplest way. So we have our water tank over here, and I'm going to remove our water tank. And that allows me to now use these secret features which can do all sorts of funky stuff. So I'm going to now press the top button, the very bottom button, and the middle button on that side all together. And when I do that, it says the machine is locked. Now the machine is locked for changing. There's no P anymore. People can't override any of the programming settings that I've done before. And this is typically something that would be done by a company which installs your machine. They would first set it up for you, and then they would lock it so that no one by mistake changes settings that they shouldn't. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our intensive training into the X8. If you want to see how you can get those filters at a cheaper price, just have a look at the link below in the description and drop us a mail. Thanks so much.